Hi guys, welcome to Food with Chetna. I have got Alissa here. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen.
Pleasure.
And she is making savoury blinis for us, which are a special Russian pancakes.
Yes.
That's the word I was looking for. So we've made these blinis in another video with the sweet filling. You can check out the recipe, link is just here. And we are making a savoury version.
Yes, we are. So the best thing about blinis is that you can fill them with anything you like. And we're going for quite a kind of traditional Russian way, but also it's quite kind of continental, you know, smoked salmon is a perfect breakfast brunch dish. We're gonna do a smoked salmon and dill creme fraiche blinis.
So I love the sound of that. And Alissa is a great cook and she does an amazing supper club which is called Kino Vino, and you can find all the details about it on kinovino.org.
Lovely, thanks so much. Right, so as it's a Russian dish, we have a lot of dill.
Oh, is it?
So Eastern European cuisine is very heavy on dill, but heavy in a sense that it's very abundant with dill, because dill has the most lovely light and fresh taste.
Okay.
The amount of dill really depends on your personal preference.
Yes,
so
I love
to me,
dill,
the more the better.
Yeah.
And what we're going to do is we're just going to chop, I guess about handful. We could, you know, you could use a blender if you want to make like a really smooth paste, or we could just
I
make
like
it more rustic and kind of
I like rustic stuff. Yes.
So we're just gonna.
It's much easier as well.
Chop it, mix it together with the creme fraiche.
Okay.
So the more traditional Russian way would be to use the dairy product called smetana, which is like a sour cream sort of thing. I actually prefer it with creme fraiche.
So how much shall I take? So there's what?
So we have 4 blinis,
Yeah.
so I think about like that much.
Yeah.
So yeah, I would say kind of equal measure of dill and sour cream, creme fraiche, then just a tiny bit of salt. And then also zest a bit of lemon, literally like kind of quarter, and then again half or quarter of a. So I'm not particularly precise with my measurements. That's what the cook and not the chef. Yeah, I think it's more about kind of your personal taste.
Taste as well, exactly.
Yeah, it's more about getting new ideas, and then if you find them interesting, then you just experiment and change it to your own palate and your preference. Mix it all together.
So make a big pile.
Yeah.
Leave it in the middle of the table and have all sorts of fillings and sweet and savoury. I love this idea.
Yeah, the pancakes, the blini feast on like Sunday with your family is the best thing, because you just really kind of have this variety.
I can actually, I can see myself doing it. I'm definitely going to try some Indian fillings and some sweet ones. Yeah.
So we have our creme fraiche and dill filling, and now the rolling part.
Okay.
So what I've noticed is quite interesting that well, I don't know, I've noticed in Britain at least, people roll their pancakes like that, and then it's kind of, you know, the filling falls out. But what we do in Russia is you actually do a little parcel, and then you hold it at the bottom so all the filling stays in. Kind of makes a bit more sense, doesn't it?
I know, it does make sense.
And yeah, I mean, this is really just as simple as kind of spread it around, and then take a slice of salmon. And then I would roll it this way, and then you can make a whole stack, or you can just start eating straight away.
Yum! I cannot wait to dig in. I know, and I love this idea of folding and nothing comes out.
Exactly.
I love it.
Or if it does, it's kind of fun.
Yeah. But it's so good.
It's really refreshing, isn't it, with dill?
Just the right amount of creme fraiche, and you can taste the lime, and just lemon. I mean.
Lemon, yeah.
Oh, that is so lovely.
Thank you.
Check out Alissa's details in the description box, and I will see you next week for a brand new recipe. Bye for now.
Bye.